Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to set TikTok sound as ringtone Android. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To accomplish this task, you'll need to utilize a third-party application. Here's a guide to help you. Firstly, launch the TikTok app on your device. Choose your preferred ringtone from TikTok for your Android device. Once you've made your selection, tap on the share button. Tap on download to save the ringtone to your device. Proceed to the Google Play Store and search for Video Converter using the search bar. Once found, choose Video Converter Black by Technozer and tap on install. After installation, open the app. Tap on start and choose your preferred language. Once done, tap on the check icon to confirm, then tap the arrow to proceed. If any prompts appear, tap the X button to dismiss them. Choose the option to convert video to MP3. Grant the necessary permissions, then choose the TikTok video you downloaded earlier. Tap on convert, and here you can also rename your ringtone. Finally, tap on start to initiate the conversion process. By following these steps, you can set a TikTok sound as a ringtone on your Android device using a third-party application. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.